Hi, I'm Dennis, founder of the Salad Table, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the 60 plant premium salad table with optional trellis. So first of all, remove all packaging from your box and then lay all the pieces out. Identify the medium length frame. These will be your legs. Attach the adjustable feet and tap on. It may require a light tap with a rubber mallet. Now do the same with all four legs. At the opposite end, just insert the plastic caps. Grab a long length of frame and insert your frame clamps, one at either end, ensuring that the Allen key head is the same at the other end, and try and get them so that your Allen key heads are facing on the outside of your frame. It just makes it easier to adjust later on. This will form the base, and we won't need to move this until we've completed the frame. Grab one of the legs and pop it against the long piece. Now try and keep these the same distance. I just use a basket as a reference. And tighten with an Allen key. Do the same on the opposite end, ensuring that the feet remain at the bottom. Grab another long length and repeat the process. This time we want to install this long piece at the top of the leg. Tighten both ends. Now identify the crossbar with your 4 brackets and 1 clamp. Pop on an end cap like so. Then attach so the brackets will be facing in the up position. This will be the up position where my leg is. The opposite end will be the piece with the 4 brackets. One more of the short pieces, and this will go in the center between the 2 bracket lengths. The remaining short pieces will now go down level with the cross piece at the bottom. Like I said, for ease of adjustment later on and for dismantling if required, just make sure that you put your Allen key bolts or bolt heads to the outside of the frame. Grab 2 clamps and place on the short pieces that we've just installed. Another leg, ensuring that the adjustable feet is with the other adjustable feet. And we'll do the same at the opposite end. Finally, we'll get the last of our 2 long pieces. Pop our last clamp onto our center support beam and then install our last long length like so. and just go around ensuring that all your clamps are tight. We can now flip the frame into position. Now the end with the clamp will be the same end as your 100 litre nutrient container. So now's a good point to decide which end you want that to be. Now we'll pop our channels on, ensuring that the big end goes to the nutrient container end, and the sticker, of course, goes towards you. We'll pop all 4 of them on. And get them fairly centre. I'm only guesstimating, no tape measure required. We'll then get our outlet manifold, and it's simply a matter of placing onto the channels. Ensure that they're fully seated. Good way that I do it is just put my thumb on the outside here and just pull it in so it's seated and there's no gaps. We'll do that to all 4. For the inlet manifold installation, it's quite easy. Grab some thread tape and just pop on your thread. Now grab the straight connector and push on until hand tight. We now want to pop the long length of PVC-U into the straight connector until seated, and we'll just rest that whilst we pop our manifold into the rubber grommets. They'll just click into place. At the opposite end, you'll need your 90-degree angle and your tap. Apply some thread tape to your tap. Screw on the 90-degree fitting until hand tight. Ensure that the tap is in the full on position. That's off. That is fully on. And then attach to the other end of the PVC-U pipe and push until it's seated. Click into position. Assemble your 100 litre nutrient container by inserting the 5 lengths into the grooves like so. And just ensure that they're fully seated at the top. Push out the container just so it takes shape, and it's ready for the pump. Now screw the pump fitting into the pump. Push the black feed line onto the pump fitting. You may also wish to apply a hose clamp. I don't really worry, I've never had them fall off, but if you do have problems, just apply a hose clamp or a cable tie. Now pop your pump into the tank and push the other end of the fitting onto the tap. Prior to filling with water, position where you want the salad table to be and then fill to the top. It's now time to turn on the pump. Ensure water's flowing from all 4 channels. Now adjust your table so you have a slight downward slope to your nutrient container and then it drains in. And we'll also do a leak check just to make sure that we have no leaks anywhere or if anything needs tightening up. In this case, it looks perfect. In your kit, we provide you with some rockwool cubes. Watch our video on how to grow your own seedlings. And here's some that I've prepared earlier. So, grab your rockwool cube with your seedling a couple of inches tall, pop it straight into a basket and stick it in the hole. As easy as that. And there you have it. We're fully loaded with seedlings. Now if you want to save some time, start growing your seedlings now. Don't forget to watch my video on how to grow your own seedlings. That way you can go down to the hardware, buy some soil grow seedlings, wash the dirt off and stick them in one of these baskets and they're good to grow. How's that? Our salad table with optional trellis is now set up. And if you've purchased a trellis, I'll show you how to put it together. Grab one long piece. Ensure the end cap is in one end. Grab one of the 3 shorter pieces. insert a cap. Pop on the first length, grab another long length, ensuring that the Allen key heads are all on the same side. It just makes it easy to adjust at a later date. Then continue doing the same with the other two pieces. Get your final two clamps and insert at the base of the trellis. And now we'll place the trellis onto the salad table. Now the beauty of this, you can also adjust it anywhere you'd like. For me, I'm just going to put it in the centre, and then I'll tighten up my final two clamps.